Hey days, welcome back to my day. So, going back to school, facing that anxiety and fear and overcoming it every day made me realize just how much YouTube changed my life with less than 100 subscribers. So first of all, I'm less worried about how others see me. I'm more worried about how I see myself, what I want to do, not what they want me to do. I'm more confident in my skills and my talent. I'm more reassured that only I can do certain things, and even if others can do it, I can do it just as well, or I can do it in my own unique way. I'm more consistent with productive habits, which means I organize my schedule so much better. I make things priorities, and if they're not priorities, I put them on the back burner until later. I'm more comfortable stepping out of my comfort zone, which means I'm more comfortable going outside of the house regardless of whether I want to, yes or no. If somebody invites me, I'm gonna say yes. I'm reminded that I'm never too old or young, and that the things I am doing now will heal the younger me and make the older me a happier me. I'm reminded that losing friends is okay. There are plenty of other strangers out there like you days that will support me and treat me better than they ever did. I've learned to say no to the things I don't want to do, even if I have no reason to not want to do it. I set my boundaries very clearly, and my no is a no, and there's no if, no buts, or maybes. I take responsibility for my words. If I make a digital promise and not follow through, isn't my credibility at stake? My words have to match my actions, and so I have to take responsibility for them. My advice to anyone who wants to start YouTube: you don't necessarily need to have a decent phone or camera. The best videos are not necessarily the ones where you are on a Canon camera or an iPhone. It's just where you're enjoying yourself. Just start and be consistent. It's a learning process. Don't try to be a professional editor from the start. Explore different ways and options until you're comfortable. A little is a lot when doing YouTube. You don't have to share everything. Share only what you're comfortable with. You don't have to do everything either. Just do what you like. And you don't have to say anything either. Just speak if you feel the need to speak. And remember that when you go out and are afraid of persons looking at you, judging you, the chances of you seeing them again are slim to none, and the friends you have are more than likely to be excited to spend times with you than judge you for it. So do that crazy little thing. Do that, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do that, like, share, and subscribe, and I'm trusting you to be honest with your content. That's what YouTube is all about. So YouTube has taught me many different ways to overcome many different situations, and I am forever grateful that I started this channel. I am so much more relaxed now when it comes to making YouTube content. Now that I've reached my 3rd year on YouTube and I reached 101 subscribers, it may be a small number, but if 101 people came up to me, I'm guaranteed to be overwhelmed by the love and support they would have for me. So thank you guys for watching my channel, and I'll see you guys for the rest of the vlog. So if you couldn't tell by these clips, I have a hard time sitting down and keeping my mouth shut in class, which is why I'm up and moving about every second. And I'm pretty sure I have ADHD, but I have yet to be diagnosed, and I'm not sure if I want to be diagnosed. So I'm just gonna live with the fact that, hey, I'm a little more hyper than others, a little more fixated on things than others, and move on with life. I mean, what else can I do? So my teacher had me read some slides off the board, and shortly after that, I went to lunch.
Any question? Any questions? Not families, but from the audience.
Wow!
Please hear question and food. Let's try. So anyone else have any questions?
Not
Performance is specific performance.
What is specific performance?
No, but that's how we just presented. I mean, they weren't listening to anything that we were just saying.
No,
I
but if you just presented that,
I
you're supposed to
included
know
the
what to say.
definition
So
in the
what is specific
conclusion.
performance?
Shaday.